सकती, क्योंकि ये पदयात्रा हिंदुस्तान की आवाज है। My mother and my grandmother Indira Gandhi ji fought an election from here and got wholehearted support. मेरे परिवार ने, गांधी जी ने मुझे सिखाया है कि अगर जीना है तो डरे बिना जीना है, नहीं तो जीना नहीं है।
Congress party leader Rahul Gandhi's long journey in Indian politics is finally showing some colors of success as the grand old party inches close to 100 seats in Lok Sabha, something that was missing from the Congress's display case for the last 10 years. As of now, it seems the Congress-led India Alliance have stopped Bharatiya Janata Party's humongous 400 par claim, which may have dented Prime Minister Narendra Modi's invincible image.
पूरा देश कह रहा है 4 जून को 400 पार.
Maximum exit polls predicted huge win for PM Modi's BJP. But Congress termed the predictions as orchestrated and sham. However, the India Alliance numbers also highlight the scale of acceptance Rahul Gandhi is receiving from the public.
चुनाव का परिणाम आ रहा है तो कार्यकर्ताओं के अंदर एक नया जोश है। हम राहुल जी से प्रेम करते हैं। राहुल जी को देश का प्रधानमंत्री बनवाने के लिए हमने 12 साल से राहुल जी के साथ ऐसे चल रही चोलों को पहन के।
For years, the Congress leader has been mocked by his opponents by different names like Pappu, or as an incapable leader to lead the country's oldest political party. For the last 10 years, the BJP has attacked Congress party for lacking a prominent face. But Rahul Gandhi's Bharat Jodo Yatra and Nyaya Yatra may have changed few things for the Congress leader. During his Bharat Jodo Yatra that started on September 7, 2022, Rahul Gandhi tried to cover maximum nooks of this country as he started his journey from Kanyakumari to Kashmir. Rahul Gandhi says his Bharat Jodo Yatra has changed his perception about Indian politics. He said marching over 4,000 kilometers made him more patient and also enabled him to take criticisms and brickbats that come his way.
जो मैंने सोचा था वही हुआ। जम्मू कश्मीर के लोगों ने मुझे हैंड ग्रेनेड नहीं दिया, अपने दिल खोल कर प्यार दिया। मुझे बहुत खुशी हुई, उन सब ने मुझे अपना माना और प्यार से बच्चों ने, बुजुर्गों ने आंसुओं से मेरा यहाँ स्वागत किया। मैं आपको गारंटी देके कह सकता हूँ कि बीजेपी का कोई नेता ऐसे नहीं चल सकता है। इसलिए नहीं क्योंकि जम्मू कश्मीर के लोग उनको चलने नहीं देंगे, इसलिए क्योंकि वो डरते हैं।
The Congress has turned out to be the biggest winner among the opposition parties, with back-channel political math being done by its alliance partners.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to like our videos and hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest.